Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and I am going to hopefully cover the sky area with paint, and maybe more towards the horizon. And I've got Frostbite, and Periwinkle, and Dazzling white from Decoart, and I should have opened that a little more. I do want enough paint, and I'm going to fast forward right after I add my periwinkle, which reminds me I might want plum blossom as well. And if I can lay my hands on it, I will do so. I'm not seeing it. There we go. I got it. Cross your fingers. No matter what I do, it's still going to be something in the direction of what I want it to be. So recently I did a landscape, and I used the Anita's Black Metallic, the Decoart Americana 24 karat gold, and I've got my picture, and some Dazzling white, and I'm going to try and emulate what I did and see if I can repeat a similar effect. I've got a screenshot of my phone that I keep peeking at. I don't want any chips. I might use some Meeden black across the bottom. I am attempting to put things where they were for the most part. Although I don't see any more white, and it must be there. So now I'm going to grab a little bit of my Meeden black, which is unfortunately closed, but I have a pair of tweezers handy. Hopefully we'll make short work of that. Just used this earlier. There we go. I'm not sure about any of this, but I'm going to give it a try. And I might modify what I did, because when I started, the last time I started from the middle, and this time I want to start from the bottom. use my residuals right out of the gate. And I might just keep it real simple. We'll see. How I feel about that. Well, I've already got something that prevents me from having exactly that. So we'll just go with it. I have some really small subtle cells. I have some beautiful cells in here in the gold. I think that's going to be exactly what I wanted. Chances are good I'm going to put a moon in the sky. But whatever else I do, I'm going to let this dry. And I'll take any paint on my spatula and put it down on the bottom edge while it's still wet, and the edges. And other than that, I thought about using silver, and I might do that next time. I don't think I can let it run. Although I do have a puddle of black right there I can see, and it might run. I could probably pull some trees up. That might be kind of cool. Maybe I should do that. I've got my nail art tool with the point on the end. I often use my tweezers. I definitely want something to make the trees look like trees. Just sort of dipping the tip in and dabbing it where the treetops, where the foliage would be. I wanted to have some trees in silhouette. I guess I got them. Kind of feeling like using one of my Q-tips if it's available. Probably still going to use that pair of tweezers I was talking about. As long as there's no paint chips attached to them. Just dip into the puddle of paint. It's worked better in other times. Going back to the method that was working better. If I put a second row of blobs in, it'll look like there's more than a tree line there. It'll look like sort of a forest on top of the hill. did like how the Q-tip worked though. Cool, I could probably put another forest somewhere else, but for right now, that's making me pretty happy. I'm gonna go back and find my Q-tip though. There we go. Pretty simple. And I'm done for right now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, and if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.